May 14, 2016, pumasok sa pagiging professional boxer itong kapitbahay ni Mel Fajardo sa Agusan na si Ervin Magno. Una siyang lumaban sa United Kingdom at agad siyang napasabak sa undefeated na kalaban na si Tony Jones. May record itong 5 wins, 0 loss, pero sa laban, sinabayan ito ni Kabayan sa bakbakan. Di nagpatinag si Ervin Magno at nagresulta ang laban sa isang draw. Nagpatuloy ang karera ni Ervin Magno at lahat ng mga laban niya ay ginanap sa United Kingdom. Isa sa mga impresibong panalo niya ay noong nakalaban niya ang veterano na sa pagdating ng basagan ng mukha, ang tubong Iran, pero sa United Kingdom na nanirahan. Ito ay si Ali Watt. May mahigit 60 na laban na ito bilang professional boxer, habang 10 professional fight pa lang ang Pinoy. Kaya naman, sanay na talaga sa bugbogan itong kalaban. Pero sa gabi ng mismong bakbakan, ay gulpi di gulat ang ginawa ni Kabayan sa veteranong kalaban. Nabalot sa pasa ang katawan, kaya itinigil na lang ng kampo ng kalaban ang bakbakan.
Via his homeland of Butuan City, Philippines, presenting Ervin Magno. Scale 10 stone, 4 pounds, 6 ounces. Presenting from Torquay, Devon, a warm Buxton welcome please for Ali Hyatt.
Pick away on the back foot, is he? No, you know what you're going to get from Irvin. He's going to come out here and sharpen up a lot, Irvin, though. He's been getting something. He was exciting, but you're not going to have a long career fighting the way he fought. So we have been trying to sharpen him up with some boxers. I think he's been doing a lot with Callum Diha as well. Yeah, that's perfect for him, isn't it? And we were saying, but he is better than that, and I certainly thought at least one of them he would. The Crolla Linares undercard. If you can, I'm going to include Crolla Linares. It was a completely different level, but my God, it was a war. Jed Carroll and Irvin Magno. I watched him spar with Ryan Doyle when Ryan was getting ready for the Ian Bailey rematch, and it was pretty much non-stop, give and take, the entire 10 rounds, top stuff.
Obviously, Jed Carroll in his third fight. He's not scared to get in there and mix it with other prospects like himself.
No, he's not. I suppose when you're a Filipino in Derbyshire, you've not really got much choice. He's here, Irvin.
I think his style helps that, doesn't he? He's exciting to watch.
Bit of an untapped market, I think, the Filipino market. You know, when they do run the Filipino barrios, hundreds and sometimes thousands of Filipino. I think Irvin will be delighted, won't he, with what's coming back at him. You know, Wyatt's willing to trade.
Yeah, and the shots he's throwing, they're wild, aren't they? There's no real technique behind him, he's just throwing big hooks.
All night. First round down, that one in the bag. Another Filipino making some noise in the northwest at the moment. Phil, as he's a young fighter, trying to get a visa so he can compete on these shows.
We met him last night, didn't we, at the show?
Yeah,
a lot of people do speak highly of him.
Yeah, anybody who's seen hopefully they'll get the visa sorted out and we'll get to see him in a professional ring.
Still ticking off for Ali Wyatt for a low shot. Too serious.
Who's forward, you know. As soon as he steps into ring.
Yeah, I mean, I think he'll be okay tonight because a lot of the shots that Wyatt's throwing, you can see him coming and get out of the way of him. But like you say, against someone that has that left hook. Magno in the second round. He's not let Wyatt breathe. Lovely body shot and then the right hook to the head.
Yeah, Wyatt's coming apart the seams here.
He just needs to set his shots up a little bit better now, doesn't he?
He's just touching, isn't he? He's taking all the power off and he's looking to put in heavy shots in behind those.
He's gone!
I think it's just descending into a case of whether Ali White can last the distance.
Yeah, I don't think he's going to trouble Magno with anything, is he? He's just in survival mode, really. But
His legs are giving way underneath him. He looks ready to go at any second here.
I think the referee just having a little look at it as well.
Took a left up there, just as we were saying. I think if Magno just looks to set this up, maybe drop the hands with a couple of body shots, I think.
That one in the bag.
Another Filipino making some noise in the northwest at the moment. Phil, as he's affectionate.
Going to be on top of you all night.
First round down. As soon as a foot crossed the threshold, he was off. Vodka in each hand. I believe there's Kappa's photograph surfacing from her own camera of her on the floor. Muscle thanking us for a shout out. Done a bit of work on Callum Biaf and Jack Massey.
The referee,
I think what Wyatt needs to show him is how he can hold. I think it might be pretty wise for him to get a grip of Magno because this isn't going to achieve anything. Towels come in. Should stop it there, yeah. Yeah, it took the towels to come in there, but one-sided beating really that.
that'll do Magno the world of good though, won't it?
Therefore, your winner, the Buxton sensation, Magno.
Huling lumaban itong Pinoy na si Ervin Magno taong 2021. May record itong 5 wins, 5 losses, isa tabla at isa via knockout. Habang 2017 pa ang huling laban ni Aliwat at may record itong 7 wins, 56 losses, 2 tabla, 3 via knockout.